Now, on joint variation now. Remember, in our previous videos, we tried to explain what joint variation is. That is, it's going to combine both direct variation and inverse variation. This is an example to illustrate that. So let's try this example. If x varies directly as y and inversely as the square of z, what this means is that x varies directly as y. The same x varies inversely as the square of z. That is the meaning. Now, when x is 1, y is 3, and when z is 5. Find x when y is 2 and z is 25. Solution. From the question, from the first sentence, you are given that x varies directly as y, and the same x varies inversely as the square of z. This is the meaning of that statement. Now, we can remove this variation sign by putting equality sign, equal sign with a constant k. Then we are left with y over z squared, where this k is constant. Now, we can continue. If x is equals to ky over z squared and k is constant, from the given values we can get our k. We have been given that x is 1. This x has been given to us to be 1 equals to k times y is 3. This y is 3 divided by z. Z is 5. Z is 5. Then with a square. From here we can get our k. 1 is equals to 3k over 5 squared 25. So we can cross multiply and find the value of k. This is like saying 1 over 1. Cross multiply. 1 times 25, 25 is equals to 3k times 1 is to 3k. To find k, we divide both sides by the coefficient of k, which is 3. So divide both sides by 3. Therefore, our k becomes 25 over 3. If k is 25 over 3, then we can show the equation connecting x, y, and z now. So x is equals to, from here, k is now 25 over 3 y over z squared. Now we can see this. X is equals to k. K is 25 over 3. Y is still there, and we still have z squared. And this is the equation connecting the three variables. Equation connecting x, y, and z. Now, we can now go back to the question again. We now asked to find x. That is to find this x, which is equals to 25 over 3 times when y is 2. Y is now 2. So this y is now 2 times when z is 25. When z is 25. So now this to be 25 squared. When z is 25, so we have to be 25 squared. So 25, we eliminate one of these 25. So we are left with 2 divided by 3 times 25 will give us 75. Therefore, x is equals to 2 over 75 when y is 2 and z is 25. So we have to get our value for x to be 2 over 75. 3 times 25 gives us 75. So x is equal to 2 over 75 when y is 2 and z is 25 from the question. This is the end of question 1. So in our next class, we're looking at question 2 on joint variation. Thank you.